Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 70 Mustang Boss 302. It's now an AM-FM 8-track. For a Mustang Boss 302. This comes from James in Hawkinsville, Georgia, and James requested just the basic modern internal conversion to add FM. And since we wired the conversion to his original connectors, being a common grounded speaker system, he doesn't get that big increase in output power, but he does get FM and aux input. So let's go ahead and turn this thing on, make sure everything works before we send her back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get in my area, so we can do a few demonstrations during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright issues. So here we go.
2024, a motorcycle accident has claimed a life.
Okay.
The accident occurred on New Year's Eve.
Okay.
At approximately 6
Balance
p.m.,
left.
a fatal three-wheeled motorcycle
Balance
accident
right.
occurred on Highway 69
Left.
near Fane Road. The incident
Right.
took place when the motorcycle rear-ended another vehicle,
Okay,
causing the
and now we're going to switch over to FM. We don't need this stuff anymore. And if you don't have an AM-FM switch, then the way to switch bands is to turn the unit off, then right back on within about a half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Has claimed a life.
And a 30-day money-back
Investigation into Wednesday morning's. Will likely.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Yeah, it takes care of that. Okay, radio comes back on. I've already tested the dial-light to make sure it works, so everything's good. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to probably start doing some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and from the first page of that website, the home page, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time, are right there in the work order, and it's understandable that you might want to talk to me for a couple minutes just to get to know me and trust me. That's perfectly okay, but as far as answering the same 15-minute series of questions from each new customer, what all do you offer and how much does it cost, I'm just not able to do that anymore because it keeps me off the bench where the work gets done, and I got to be on the bench where the work gets done. So please do that research before calling me. After you've got that work order in your hand, I'm perfectly happy to talk to you. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, James, for your business all the way from Hawkinsville, Georgia, and we'll see you guys next time.